Hello and welcome to valleytoyota.ca. You're having a look at a 2013 Toyota Sienna 7-passenger front-wheel drive. This is 17611B, and it was purchased here as a used vehicle from us about 2 years ago. Previous owner had some lifestyle changes and actually didn't need to have a van anymore, so she traded this for a 2016 Toyota Highlander that we had here in stock. Does have one collision for about $4,200, one showing for about $1,900. Both of those are on the Carfax report. You can check that out at valleytoyota.ca. If you're not already there, you'll get all the information there. Current mileage on this vehicle is about 112,800, and we'll get the exact mileage for you shortly here when we make our way inside. All in all, it shows quite well. It does have a few little blemishes here and there. Got a bit of a small scratch here on the rear quarter panel. It's quite minor. So let's have a look here inside. Now, this is a 7-passenger model. As I mentioned, the seats fold flat into the floor, giving you extra space. So even with the seats folded all the way in, you still have room for 4 and a ton of cargo space. Even if you had 6 people in here with this side down, it would add quite a bit of cargo space for at least 2 hockey bags or quite a bit of luggage. So it is quite versatile that way. Make our way here to the middle rows. Give you a look here at the interior. You also have heating controls up top here for the rear independent heat control. Power windows, power locks. We have a height adjustable driver's seat that's a manual height adjustment. We have our power mirrors and traction control off, AM FM CD player, 3-zone climate control, so we can heat one side, passenger side, or the rear separately, and we have controls for that up front. It's a 6-speed automatic transmission. We have our cruise control, and there's our mileage, 112,867 currently on the odometer. This model wasn't equipped with a backup camera, but it was added previously by the previous owner. So I just want to make a note of that is there, because that's a great feature to have. So if there's more we can tell you about this 2013 Toyota Sienna V6 7-passenger, let us know. We're in Chilliwack, BC, an hour from Vancouver, 45 minutes from Langley, 20 minutes from the Abbotsford area. We're about a 2.5 hour drive from Kamloops. Love to talk to you more about this Sienna minivan or any of the other cars, trucks, vans, or SUVs we have for sale. Thanks for watching.